Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download Windows 11 on USB. So first you need to USB drive for this one. It should be at least 8 gigabytes because Windows 11 needs at least 8 gigabytes. So once you are connected your USB drive into your computer, you have to go to your browser. Then after you need to go to the address bar, type Windows 11 download and hit enter. So you need to go to first option, official Microsoft website. Now you need to scroll down, come to the create Windows 11 installation media option. Just tap on download option. Okay, it is downloading. It will be around 10 megabytes. Wait for the download complete. Okay, now download is completed. Just double tap on that software. Tap on yes on the pop-up menu. Okay, now it is loading and getting the details ready. Wait for the process is complete. Okay, first you will be able to see license terms. You can accept the license and wait for again to next step. Okay, in this time it will be ask your language and edition. You can see that these are not changeable, so you have to untick this one. Then after you can change your language. As an example, I like to use English United Kingdom, and you can, but in this case you only can use the Windows 11 because we download Windows 11 media creation tool. So once you are changed this information, tap on next. And now you have two options, USB or ISO file. ISO file you can use for further installations, but in this video I am going to show you how to install on USB. So choose the USB option. Make sure to you plug the USB into your computer. It should be at least 8 gigabytes. Tap on next. So you can see your USB drive from here. If you can't see, you can refresh the drive list. Select your USB drive, tap on next. So you can see the process is started. Once this one is go to 100%, your pen drive is ready for install the Windows. So you can use your pen drive to install the Windows 11 on your computer. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.